Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Higgsfield AI for real estate with a complete tutorial guide. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to higgsfield.ai. Sign up or log in with your Google account. Once logged in, click on Create to start a new project. Higgsfield is excellent for creating realistic property videos and images. For property images, type a detailed prompt like a luxurious modern villa with swimming pool, beautiful garden, sunny day, real estate photography style, 4K. For video tours, write prompts such as smooth drone shot flying around a luxury apartment building, modern architecture, daytime, cinematic real estate video, or virtual walkthrough of a spacious 3-bedroom apartment, starting from living room to kitchen. You can also upload your own photos of the property and use image-to-video feature to turn them into smooth walking tours or cinematic shots. After generation, you can download the videos and images in high quality and use them for property listings, Instagram, YouTube, or client presentations. That's it. This is how you can use Higgsfield AI for real estate marketing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.